Alright guys, let's continue. In this section, we will be talking about lists and entities. So I'll create lists and tables rather. So I'll create your file, list tables.html, do a skeleton, collapse, and then list and tables, set list and tables as our title. Then open our go live. Okay, so let's dive in agad. So there are two types of lists in HTML. The first one is the ordered list. Ordered because ordered kasi meron siyang numbering as I will show you. Ngayon, ang ordered list needs a list item, LI. Okay, so for example, apple, banana, and orange. So see, nakita natin meron siyang number 1, 2, and 3. Now, you can change the numbering by using the attribute type. So kapag A siya, magiging siyang A, B, C, D. Kapag naman big letter A, big letters. Kapag Roman numeral, pag naman I, magiging siyang Roman numeral. And then big I would be big numeral. Okay? Kapag 1 would be the default. Alright? The next one would be the unordered list. So the first one is ordered list. The second one is unordered list. Okay, so kagaya ng OL, UL would need a list item. So let's say Smith, makikita ninyo circles lang siya. Pere, Marco, yan. And then last one, John. Right? So yun ang kaibahan ng ordered sa unordered. Yung ordered list may numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth, and yung unordered list would just be circle. So or bullets, sabi nga nila sa Word kung gumagamit kayo ng Word document. Alright, so let's move on now to our next topic, which is tables. Now tables are used to hold data, right? Tabular data. So let's begin by specifying the table tag, and then you need two things. First would be the header, and then would be the body. The header would contain the column names ng table. So kailangan natin ng row. TR would be row. Alright, and then T-head would contain the data. So for example, number, and then first name, and then last name. Okay, so makita natin lumabas si first name and last name. So kung yan yung column names, kailangan din natin ng column body. So, kung may row tayo dito, again, TR means table row. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng TD. So, TH would be the header and D would be data. Okay? So, 1, TD. First name is Michael and last name is Knober. Right? So, ganyan ang pag-add ng row. So, kung mag-a-add pa tayo ng isa pang row, gagawa ka lang ng isa pang TR. Again, TR means a row, right? So, each TR means one row. So, 2, Jasper. Add pa tayo. 3, Denny. And 4, Benjamin. Okay? So, that's for tables. Ngayon, mapapansin natin, wala siyang borders or anything. Pero kasi, wala pa tayo sa CSS. So, we will be revisiting this on the CSS portion and maglalagay tayo ng border dito sa table natin para mapaganda. Pero for now, since pure HTML, ganito yung kanyang kalalabas. Last, we will be discussing something called a definition list, right? So, ganito siya. We will use the DL tag to specify na definition list yung ginagamit natin. And then DT would be term 1, definition term, and then the DD would be the explanation. Definition 1, right? So, gawa pa tayo ng marami. Term 2, DD definition 2, DT term 3, DD definition. Okay, let's see kung ano itsura niya. Alright, so yan ang DL and DT. Ito yung tinatawag nating definition list. Okay class, I hope you understand all that. So see you on the next episode.